Setting up your new TP-Link B400 Wi-Fi 7 router is quick and simple with the Tether app. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can get your high-speed Wi-Fi 7 network up and running in minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Hardware connection. First, let's connect the hardware. Power off your modem and connect Ethernet cable from modem LAN port to B400 Wi-Fi router Blue WN port. Then, power on the modem and wait about 2 minutes for it to fully restart. Finally, plug in the router and press the power button to turn it on. Now wait until router LED turns solid. Step 2. Download Tether app and log in it. Phone. Head to the App Store or Google Play, download, and install the official Tether app. If you have a TP-Link ID, log in. If not, you can create one or tap Step 3 for now. Connect to network. Now press plus button and tap routers and scan Wi-Fi router QR code, then press join button to auto connect network. Wait while scanning for device. Tether app should automatically detect your B400. Tap on it to begin. Make sure router connected to modem. Press arrow key to continue setup. Now set device password. Create strong login password and press next button. The app will guide you to configure your internet connection. In most cases, it will automatically detect your connection type. If required, enter your ISP username and password. Next, customize your Wi-Fi network name, also called SSID, and create a strong password. This is the network your devices will use to connect. Press next button. Router will ask you to set a update time. Choose preferred time and press apply and finish button. Router will reboot and ask you to connect new Wi-Fi network. Connect it and enjoy super fast internet with TP-Link Archer B400 Wi-Fi 7 router. And that's it. Your TP-Link B400 Wi-Fi 7 router is now ready to deliver ultra-fast and reliable internet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.